All right, I've been seeing this while I was driving, and look how beautiful that is. I'm gonna go ahead and see what's in here. Yeah. Oh, looky. Come on, buddy. Just off this 4.8. Ah! It was there. What happened? Oh, let's shoot. Let's do that again. All right. I'm gonna toss this sucker out. Let it sink down. Let's try that again. Because it was definitely tugging on it. Little 4.8. Da-da-da-da-da. Let's try that again. I know that was a bluegill because I seen it jump. So basically I have no weight on this. I just got that little swivel on there. Clamp swivel, whatever it's called. Let that sucker sink to the bottom. Got you. Ha ha ha. Yeah, look at this guy. What the heck, dude? Oh, look at this guy. Come here. All right. Let's get you back in the water. You look pretty cool though. There you go. Just off that little, look at that. Little hook. Isn't that great? Sweet. All right, so here's the beer of the day. This is what I'm drinking while I'm fishing today. Since I caught one, so that's pretty cool. But check it out. So it's called the People's Pilsner. Brewed in Davis, California. 5.3. And what the heck, man? Let's take a drink, yeah? Beautiful sounds, especially when you're fishing. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, that's good. It's real light too. See it? Real light. Anyways, not bad. Brewed in Davis.